Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.1, Problem 17. This is Section 3.1, Problem 17. It says write the decimal as a fraction. So we have 12.179 that we want to convert into a fraction. So the first of 4 steps to do that is write what comes after the decimal point in the numerator of a fraction. So after the decimal point I have 179. So I set up a fraction and in the numerator I put 179. And then step 2 is you put a 0 under each digit that's in the numerator. So in the denominator I put 3 zeros because I have 3 digits in the numerator. Step 3 is put a 1 in front of the bottom zeros. I put a 1, and let me not forget to put the 12 that was in front of the decimal in front of my fraction. Of course, 12 point something turns into 12 in some fraction. And then step 4 is reduce the fraction if it's reducible. So my 179 over 1,000, can that be reduced? What I want to do is find any value I can that divides into both 179 and divides into 1,000 evenly, no remainder. And as you try a variety of different possibilities, you'll find that there's nothing that divides into both 179 and 1,000 evenly. So this fraction is not reducible. So my final answer is 12 and 179 1,000ths. That's the fraction equivalent of 12.179.